here we have a mouse, LED light up mouse. It's predominantly a gaming mouse. However, it's got LEDs that light up along the sides, and that means that if you are like me and you like playing a game and it gets dark outside, you can't see your mouse anymore. With this one, you've still got the ability to carry on playing because it lights up, you know exactly where it is. You're not going to accidentally hit it and completely put your game off, that sort of thing. So with this one, it's from a company called Queender. I've never heard of them before, but they do make good mouses. So with this one, you've got quite a long USB connection, which is really good to see. And then the mouse itself is quite bulky. However, it sits quite nicely in your hand. So it just sits as your hand normally would. What that means is after hours of playing, you won't get fatigue or being on your laptop or that sort of thing. So with this, I'm actually not going to use this for gaming because I've got a much more expensive mouse for that. But I will be using this one for general bits and pieces around sort of the laptop and desktop. I find it fantastic though because you've got all of the extra buttons that you can completely customise. And on the DPI settings, you've got a choice. So with the DPI button, which is this one here, you can either set it to 800, 1200, 2400 or 3600 DPI, which is absolutely fantastic. I thought while you were playing or on your sort of laptop that the lights would also be a bit distracting. However, if I just take this off and I'll plug it in, you'll see that it isn't actually that distracting. It actually makes quite a nice sort of quite a nice view. So you've got the LED on the back and you've also got the LEDs on the side, and then of course you've got the laser bit just on the bottom, so that allows you to do whatever it is you want. You've also got the little one just on the scroll wheel, which just means that you know exactly where everything is. You've got the back forward key and you've also got the textured part. So you've also got LEDs on here, but your finger or thumb sits on there. And then that just means that it's all absolutely fantastic. For the price, I'll definitely buy another one. And I'm going to be using this one, well, all the time. So it's an absolutely fantastic item and I'll definitely buy another one.